There she is.
Yep, there we are.
She's got body parts in her hands.
Yep.
Welcome to another exciting episode of Feel It Real Fun.
I'm Victoria.
And I'm Mr. 2020. Today we've got a reader request. Two amazing puppies. Facebook is building an audience for us. And a Neville Goddard quote. So, let's do our housekeeping, Victoria.
Yes.
Visit us at freeneville.com. Hey, we've got a listener.
Hello,
a viewer.
Pauline.
Hello, Pauline.
Yes.
Join us in Manifesting
Yes,
Mastery and do what we share. Okay? Why not? You know, God, it's amazing the people that don't. Then they send us emails, right?
Molly.
I'm doing all this crazy shit and it's not working. All right? Stop. Right?
Hiya, Laurel.
Yeah. All right.
Hi,
Molly,
Jerry.
Laurel, Jerry.
One for Emmett, one for Bruce. Right.
Victoria's
Hi,
really
Julie.
awesome
Hi,
with the body
Jerry,
parts today.
Becky, Bob.
Good morning, Bob. Becky.
Okay.
All right. So, shall I read it or shall you?
Andrew just joined as well.
Andrew joined again.
Did he?
I don't know.
Oh, right.
Well, he joined yesterday.
2020 in Victoria. Is that where I'm going from?
Yes.
Right. A lot of people think that they know what they want.
Oh, yeah.
But they don't. For example, we often hear, I want to win the lottery, when we know that what they really want is financial security, financial stability, debt-free. So, question, how does one know when what they want, the end, is correct?
So we're going to explore the power of 3 whys today.
3 whys.
3 whys, Victoria.
Why?
Why?
Okay.
And, before...
Oh, that's like a kid.
Why, isn't it?
Isn't it? It's like...
Yeah, be as little children.
Yeah, I can't remember the sorts of things, but it's like...
Yeah, why?
Why does that happen?
Why?
Oh, because of this. Why does that then
Why?
happen? It's like,
Right? So, before we even get to the why bit, and the Neville Goddard quote, and Victoria and I having all sorts of heaps of fun, and body parts for the puppies,
yeah.
remember, your faith in God is measured by your confidence in you. Okay? Real quick story. We get a lot of people wanting to hit the lottery. Okay?
Yeah.
I'm not saying it's not possible, and then the question shows up, well, if I'm imagining winning the lottery, and Victoria's imagining winning the lottery, and who's
Yes.
going to win? Is it who's
Yes.
imagining is stronger?
Yeah.
yeah, that kind of stuff. We've
Yeah.
covered that before.
Yeah.
But here's the thing. Your faith in God is measured by your confidence in you. Right? Most people have confidence in what? The lottery will fix my problems. Right? Or the X. The X will make me happy. You know,
Yeah,
the one
I want him back.
The one that moved far, far away, that blocked me on Facebook.
Yeah.
Right, that's married now and has 5 kids. It's been gone for 15 years.
Yep.
You get it?
Yeah.
Your faith in God is measured by your confidence in you, not in your ex, not in the lottery. Okay?
Yeah.
It's measured by your confidence in you. So, Victoria, what do you want? Pick something.
What do I want?
Yes.
I want Russell to have finished all the building work.
Why? Ooh, that was quick, wasn't it? Why?
Just so that we don't have to spend any more money on building work. We like that bit's complete.
Why?
I don't know. I'm not really. Sorry, I'm really tired. I'm not sick. Really
You want me to
tired
just run with
today.
it?
Yeah, go for it. Why?
Okay, cool. I don't know. That's not my thing.
Yeah, I know. Okay, what
Cool.
do you want? 20.
Okay, I want to go to the dog park.
Why?
Because the puppies and I have fun there.
Why?
Because it's fellowship and it's just getting out and it's moving and grooving. Okay, you get it? Mm-hmm. So it comes back to an experience.
Fellowship.
Okay,
What's
fellowship,
that
moving
mean?
and grooving, right? Yeah, watching the puppies play and be happy.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not. Yeah, we could experience the puppies playing happy here. We could have fellowship here. Mm-hmm. Okay, so we really.
So it's really not the dog park.
No, if the dog park disappeared, Neville says, right?
Yeah.
So you say you want the ex, you want the specific guy.
Yeah,
No, you
yeah,
don't.
yeah.
Imagine being married, right?
Yeah, because he said as well, if that person died, does
if
that
that
mean
person
you'd never
died-
be happy again?
Right.
Yeah.
And by the way, we get those emails. They won't respond to me. I'm going to slip my wrists. Oh, that's going to help, right?
Yeah.
Seriously,
Yeah.
right? So you get to the point where you get the easy why. Okay, why? What's it come down to? Fellowship and fun with the puppies. Okay, we're having some on the show. So it's not like, right, we can't have fun until we go to the dog park. I can't feel financially secure until I hit the lottery. You get it? My confidence is in me, in us, right now. Not in a future event that will solve all my problems. The dog park. Right? So what do you want? Really just hit the whys real quick a couple times. What do you want? Why do you want that? Why do you want that? Why do you want that? You'll get to the point where it comes home. Why do you want to hit the lottery? So I can pay off all my bills. Why do you want to pay off all your bills? So I don't worry about money. Why do you want to not worry about money? Well, so I can do what I want when I want. Yeah, okay, I got all
Just
that.
keep digging
but keep
deep.
going to the point where it's
Yeah.
like, you know what? I just want to buy peanut butter without worrying about which brand.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to, be able to buy the car that I want. I want to feel secure when I'm driving down the road. You get it. It comes back to you. Now here's the thing. The fake solution is often really easy to say. What do you want? The lottery. Right? Boom, 2 words, done. But I can't feel the lottery, and it just ain't working right for me, right? The real solution is often so easy that you overlook it. What do you want? I just want to enjoy buying peanut butter. I just want to hang out and have fun and have a lovely morning. Okay? I don't have to chase the dog park to go have a lovely morning. I can have it right now. And the thing is, if I'm having it right now, it's not like I'll get to the dog park and go, thank God I'm at the freaking dog park, now I can have fun. Okay, thank God I hit the lottery. Oh, what do you mean, 30,000 other people did? We each get $5?
Oh, great.
Yeah, time to go back to feeling like crap again. You get it?
Yeah.
So, let's toss in a Neville Goddard quote. Would you like to read some, or would you like me to?
Yeah, I'll read some. Because
Excellent.
then I don't have to think.
We'll start with
Okay.
that one.
The purpose of practicing detachment is to separate us from our present reactions to life and attach us to our aim in life. This inner separation must be developed by practice.
All right. So let's begin there. The purpose of pressing detachment is what? To separate us from our present reactions to life. Peanut butter went up in price. You get it? There's no meat on sale. You get it? Yeah. Your present reactions are indicating something.
So hang on, Neville's saying for us to practice inner separation.
From your current reactions to life.
Okay. So it's to
So you
separate
have
us
a
from
re-
our present reactions to life.
So you have a reaction you don't
all
like?
right. Yeah.
Yep, cool.
Yeah, got you.
Separate from that.
Okay, got you.
Cool.
Yeah, okay.
Notice the shift?
Yeah.
Okay. That way, you can attach yourself to your aim. If your present reactions are driving you loopy, okay, you've got to detach from them. So this whole thing of knowing when you get to the real solution, a solution that's really good for you, it's going to be pretty easy. What's buying peanut butter like being financially free? Again, I want financial freedom. For most people, it's just a head thing.
Yeah.
But what's the experience like of buying peanut butter, or going to yoga, or whatever it is? So the YMCA takes out a payment from your checking account every 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Do you care? Do you worry about it?
No.
Nah, you get it? We've both lived the lives where it would go, you're going to take money out of my account every 2 weeks, right? When you detach yourself from that, something different shows up in your life. You get it? That's an old reaction. That's not a fun one. But if you detach from that, you can start to explore, what's my aim? My aim is to be able to, you know what, I'm going to yoga. I'm signing up for the direct debit. You guys take care of all this. It's not a big deal to me. Okay, I just want to come to class and swipe my card and know I can walk in and take the class. You get it?
Yeah.
The real solution is easy to feel, but you've got to put some work into exploring it. Okay, winning the lottery is just pretty much a stock phrase. I want to win the lottery so all my problems are gone. I want to have financial freedom so I don't have any problems. You get it? There's no work there.
Yeah.
The only work you're really required to do with this is to explore, this. Neville says, This inner separation must be developed by practice. You get it? There's the thing. There's your inner work. And if you choose not to do that, you can say, well, I'm doing my 3 sessions a day and nothing is happening. Yeah, and I can pretty much guarantee why. You're not practicing detachment. You haven't eliminated your triggers. And here's the crass commercial message. Ready? In Manifesting Mastery, the first 2 weeks are designed to eliminate triggers. Because as long as you are something that is triggered, you're not noticing that you are creating, you are giving life.
Yeah.
So you've got this amazing opportunity to invest some time, become much more aware of your triggers. We get these emails and they say, I didn't know how crazy I was.
Yeah.
Yeah, we love those ones.
Yeah.
The emails I hate are, I don't understand this exercise. Will you tell me why I'm doing this? No, do it.
Yeah.
Right? Because I don't understand it is you're hiding in your head. We want you to notice how nuts you are. And when you notice how nuts you are, okay, again, you learn how to practice detachment by noticing how many things you're letting poke you all the time. Then this whole thing of, yeah, what's the real solution? This is easy, guys. This is really easy. So, the last bit, we practice detachment or inner separation that we may escape from the circle of habitual reactions to life. That is why we must formulate an aim. Okay? What do you want? In other words, and once you ask that, go, why do I want it? Why do I want it? Why do I want it? Drill down a couple levels.
Yeah.
So you bring it home to you. I want it so I can just buy peanut butter. Okay? And not worry about it. I want to be able to buy meat. Not worry about it. You get it? So that is why we must formulate an aim, okay, first person experience, and continuously notice ourselves in regard to that aim. So, anything you'd like to add in today, Victoria?
No. That's good. Yeah.
All right.
Well, have we got any easy option wanting the lotto from Pauline?
Yeah, you know, the interesting thing is, again, that just puts the power out there. You know, you just, you know, that's
Yeah.
why, you know, just,
Yeah.
yeah, it's an easy mock option. Okay? What I want to do is eat egg rolls off the menu. Okay? You know, we settle for the menu instead of settling for the experience. Yasmin says, love this. Molly says, pokes can move you out of the mood. Totally.
Yeah.
Candace says, very true. So,
Yeah.
that's it for today, guys. And join us at, or visit us at freeneville.com. Join us in Manifesting Mastery. If you want little nibbles throughout the day, go to NevilleGoddardQuotes.com. We've got a heap of cool little quotes up there. Bounce around.
Beautiful pictures.
Beautiful
that
photos.
20's taken. Yeah.
Yeah. And life is good.
Yep.
Have a great day, guys. We love you. And that's it. Visit us at freeneville.com.
See ya.